Tamuh on the beat once again.
I love the person you showed me, not the person you hid. You said you were working late again, same excuse again and again. Your phone would light up then face the floor. You weren't the one I knew before. Ndaitipa mwendiri kufungisisa, asi moyo wangu weito ndinyevera. Kunyemwerera kwako kwenge kwashanduka, rudo rwedu rwanga rwava kunyura. I ignored everyone inside, believing your heart was still mine. Hasichokwadi chakasvika, like lightning in the middle of the night. You were living a double life, smiling with me, holding someone else at night. Ndakakuda nemoyo wese, asiwe wakandi nyengera. Now every memory feels like a lie. How did I fall for your double life? Two sets of promises, two different names. One heart pretending, two dangerous games. Shamwari teseta isvisiva, inindega ndaisaziva. Dakava benzi nerudo, dichivimba ne munu aisandivimba. Oh, tell me, which smile was real, which I love you was the truth I could feel. Morichete ndivo vanoziva, misoja ndachema usiku, wakatora moyo wangu, ukaupanya pasi na titi. You were living a double life, building forever on a house of life. Tandicha chemi jwakare, nguva ya niporesa. You lost someone who loved you for real. I lost someone who never existed.
Some betrayals don't break your heart, they change who you are.
God is the greatest.